Module 6 is on statistics, and statistics is that process where you follow steps. The first one is asking a statistical question, then you collect data, then you organize the data, you analyze it and present it to help you solve a problem. So that first step in the process is asking a statistical question. So we have to know what that means. A statistical question is one that can be answered with data. Data is also different information about an object or a person, okay? And for which it is anticipated that that data that you collect, that information that you collect to answer the question, will, this is the important part, vary. Okay? You're not going to get the same answer. You're going to get lots of different answers. So you have to be able to ask a question that's going to get lots of different variety of answers to collect information about something. Here are some examples of 4 different questions, and we're going to label them either statistical or non-statistical question. And we're going to keep this in mind that it has to collect information, and that information has to vary. It means there's got to be lots of different answers, and you're asking lots of different people. Example 1, how many pets does Mrs. Turnock have? If I'm thinking about that question, you're asking one person, and you're not going to get a varied answer. I have one pet. No matter how many times you ask me right now, who asks me, I'm going to have one answer. So this is what we would call a non-statistical question. So I'm going to put NS for non-statistical. Okay. The second question says, how many pets do students in our class have? So if you were to ask all the students in our class how many pets they have, you're asking many people, and you're probably going to get lots of different answers. Some people are going to have one pet, some people are going to have 2, some people are going to have 5, some people might have 0. Okay, so you're collecting lots of different varying information. So number 2 is a statistical question. I'll put an S for statistical. Number 3, what is Mr. Anderson's favorite ice cream flavor? I want you to think in your head if you think that is a statistical question or non-statistical. Are you collecting lots of information that's going to vary? No, you're not. He's going to have 1, maybe 2 favorite flavors, but you're just asking one person and there's not going to be a lot of varying answers. So that's going to be non-statistical. And then the last question says, what is the favorite ice cream flavor of teachers in Gowanna? So if you were to ask all the teachers in Gowanna, you're going to collect lots of information and data, and it's going to vary. So this would be considered a statistical question. As we go through this module, you're going to be wanting to focus on statistical questions, questions that you can collect lots of data that's going to vary so that you can then organize it, analyze it, and see what important conclusions you can make from it.